Kabir?
One cappuccino, please.
Sure. Kabir?
Excuse me. Let me know when it's ready.
Oh, is it you? Did you rob a bank or marry a rich woman? Or is it our breakup brought some sense into you?
Why?
Because you were never capable of earning anything on your own. Huh? You couldn't pay a bill? Anyways, do you know that I'm married? And I'm very well settled? And me and my husband, we have a huge villa.
So your coffee's ready.
Excuse me.
Whatever.
Put her bill in mine.
Sure, sir. Chukua, leta bill. Na nani?
Boss, Mr. Kabir.
Boss wako ni Kabir?
Yes.
Harleen, this place is really expensive. Can we go some elsewhere, please?
Seriously? Really? Kabir? Same thing and same excuse again and again? I take you to exclusive, expensive places. And look at you, there's you. You want to take me to the cheap ones. Can you not see we are not at the same level? And you know what? I feel like you're not even putting an effort towards working your dreams. At this point, you're going nowhere, my dear. I'm done, I'm leaving.
Harleen, don't.
Stop! Stop, Bhatti!
Loser.